starting of the course, Atreya was my trainer and he gave a training in the brief with the details as well. So initially, I was working in Infosys and looking for a Scrum Master job. So initially, started with resume update and all. So he updated my resume as per the ATS score. So once it started, and I started uploading my resume to other platforms as well, like Naukri, LinkedIn, and as well. Atreya was giving us like an insightful training about a Scrum Master session. It's like a kind of interactive session as well. Whenever we ask any questions, he used to answer with all the details, and it's like the way he was answering. I don't have experience in a Scrum Master, but he helped us to answer the way like we do have a experience in the Scrum Master. I got an interview whenever we get any job openings. Nilashish used to help us in giving that job openings link as well. So I used to apply for all the roles with the updated resume. I got an interview for Scrum Master and even business analyst role as well. Initially, I have that is one plus point because I have done the certification in as a Scrum Master and even a CSM and a CSPO certification in the StarAgile itself. That is one plus mark where I have updated in my resume. I got an offer letter from NTG Data like last Thursday. That is like a happy moment for me. Yeah, I got almost 100% hike from what I was getting, and yeah, that's it.
Check out the CSM course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the StarAgile website. Check out the link in the description.